When you need to rip or cross-cut plywood and other sheet goods, you need a reliable way to keep your circular saw moving straight along your cut line. Kreg knows that straight, accurate cuts are critical, so we're committed to helping you achieve success with guided cutting products like the Straight Edge Guide. The Straight Edge Guide has a sturdy, super straight rail that your circular saw rides along to keep the saw cutting exactly where you want, without the hassles of trying to hold the saw on a cut line when cutting freehand. But the Straight Edge Guide does more than just guide your saw. It also positions your saw exactly where you want to cut, thanks to a pair of cutline indicator arms. The indicator arms easily adjust to match your saw, so all you have to do is align the arms with where you want to cut, and you know the Straight Edge Guide rail is perfectly positioned to cut at that exact location. The exclusive Grip Max clamps ensure that the Straight Edge Guide will stay exactly where you place it too. Just pull back on the large built-in handle to lock the clamps against the edge of your material. Move the indicator arms out of the way, and you're set to cut with confidence, knowing that the rail will stay put, and you'll cut exactly where you intend to every time. Whatever your cutting needs are, there's a Straight Edge Guide model to meet them. The standard Straight Edge Guide has a 4-foot capacity, so you can easily cross-cut full sheets. You can add more capacity with the Straight Edge Guide extension. This rail and connector bar set adds 2 feet of extra cutting capacity, so you can cross-cut and then make rip cuts up to 6 feet long. To rip full 8-foot sheets, check out the Straight Edge Guide XL. Its 8-foot capacity can handle any sheet good, and you can even break it down for shorter cuts when you want to by removing middle sections. Whichever Straight Edge Guide you choose, you'll make cutting down plywood and sheet goods easier than ever before, and you'll do it with confidence, knowing that guided cutting gives you the cutting accuracy you need. This versatile guide is great for more than just circular saw cuts too. You can use the Straight Edge Guides with your router for making dados and grooves, and even with your jigsaw. The Straight Edge Guide is designed to deliver guided cuts that exceed your expectations for accuracy, and it's built to last with anodized aluminum and impact-resistant polymer construction. Because the Straight Edge Guide is from Kreg, you're also getting more than just a tool. You're getting a company committed to helping you achieve cutting results and project results that exceed your expectations through the simplicity and certainty of guided cutting. Plus, the Straight Edge Guide is backed by Kreg, so you get a complete line of tools, accessories, support, plans, and educational information you need to succeed. To learn more about the Straight Edge Guide, as well as Kreg's other products for building DIY and woodworking projects, visit us online at kregtool.com.